कोशिश की जा रही है।
After a hiatus of 5 months, election season returns in India. 8 crore voters, multiple political parties, and one election commission. With political developments intensifying in Bihar, the poll body of India is facing heat from the opposition leaders yet again. From Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi to RJD's Tejasvi Yadav, Team India has been breathing fire at the poll body since the last few weeks.
दो गुजरात के लोग तय करेंगे कि कौन बिहारी वोटर वोट देगा कौन नहीं देगा। ये संविधान के साथ लोकतंत्र के साथ अगर कोई छेड़छाड़ करे और बिहार लोकतंत्र की जननी है, वहीं से लोकतंत्र को ये खत्म करना चाहे तो हम लोग चुप बैठने वाले तो है नहीं।
No, this time it's not about the EVM. Election Commission of India's special intensive revision exercise to update the existing voter list in Bihar is at the heart of the controversy. The India parties accuse the poll body of disenfranchising a common Bihari. Even as the ECI terms it a routine exercise, the matter has reached Supreme Court of India. While the top court heard the petitioners on July 10, its observations have given the ongoing debate a new lease of life. It seems that the road for the Election Commission or for the political parties is not going to be an easy one, and hence a few questions that are being raised about the exercise being conducted by the poll body. 1. What is the meaning of this special intensive exercise and why is it necessary? 2. Why do political parties feel that the exercise in itself is an attempt to snatch away people's mandate? And third, is this another attempt to malign a constitutional institution? Or do India's charges hold some water? Let's understand. Days after RJD MP Manoj Jha, TMC's Mahua Moitra, and several others filed multiple pleas in Supreme Court challenging the Election Commission's exercise, the top court on July 10 made several observations. Supreme Court not only questioned the timing of the EC's exercise, but also asked why the poll body wasn't accepting Aadhaar as one of the 11 documents required to prove one's citizenship. The top court also inquired why the Election Commission was getting into the citizenship issue, which is a domain of Ministry of Home Affairs. However, the top court noted that the exercise in itself was indeed an important one and there was nothing wrong with it. And interestingly, it did not put the SIR on hold as demanded by the petitioners. The next date of hearing is on July 28.
देखिए, माननीय न्यायालय के जो भी निर्णय होता है हम स्वागत करेंगे, विश्वास रखते हैं। लेकिन एक चीज मैं बता दूं कि SIR किसी जाति, पार्टी या व्यक्ति का या किसी धर्म का चिन्हित करके किया जा रहा है क्या? ये चुनाव आयोग एक तरफ कहते हैं संविधान में विश्वास है, दूसरे तरफ संवैधानिक संस्था का अपमान करते हैं।
The opposition parties must be disheartened by the top court's directions. After all, the India bloc wanted this whole exercise to be immediately stopped. On July 9, a day before the Supreme Court's hearing, Lok Sabha LOP Rahul Gandhi and RJD's Tejasvi Yadav hit streets in Bihar to flex their strength. Accusing the Election Commission of India of depriving the poor of his voting rights, Gandhi Sain went on to allege that the ECI is behaving like a stretched wing of RSS and BJP.
इलेक्शन कमिश्नर बीजेपी और आरएसएस जैसे बात कर रहे हैं। वो भूल गए हैं कि वो किसी राजनीतिक पार्टी के नहीं है। वो हिंदुस्तान के इलेक्शन कमिश्नर है और उनका काम इस संविधान की रक्षा करने का है।
RJD's Tejasvi Yadav too heard similar charges. Beyond political war of words and legal challenges, it is important to understand what is the whole exercise about. On June 24, Election Commission announced that it would commence a door-to-door verification of the voters in Bihar. All voters in the state are required to sign printed enumeration forms that contain their name, photo and address. As per the ECI, voters need to submit a fresh photograph and valid proof of address. But here is a catch. Those who were not in the list of the last conducted exercise of 2003 will have to provide additional documents. This contentious clause is at the center of the entire controversy. The exercise is being conducted by 1 lakh booth level officers with the help of 4 lakh volunteers and thousands of booth level agents. Even as the Election Commission breathes a sigh of relief after the Supreme Court's directions, this controversial issue is going to be one of the main poll planks for the upcoming assembly elections in Bihar.